We create outdoor living spaces here at the Nelson team, and the reason we're unique is because we do so many different things. Every job is completely different, from the design aspect of it to the finality of it. You can look at all the projects we've done and you're not going to see two that are identical. You're not going to see the same design put in these yards. And I think that's special. Having these areas that are built for people that are their own and make for the best spaces you can imagine.
Actually, people have, walked down our street or passed in a car and stopped and said, "Who did your work?"
So as a landscape designer and project builder at the Nelson team, the difference for me is being able to go out and make a promise to a client and know that I have a team that will come and back me up 100% for whatever vision that we cast from a landscape design standpoint or project building standpoint. That gives you just a sense of confidence that we can go out there and create an experience for people that is unlike any other. We just try to keep the promises that we make. It's a really great thing being a part of a team like that.
We found the Nelson team through our builder. They were so quick to respond, so quick to get out here and talk with us, and instantly liked the rapport we had with them.
I really like the fact that the Nelson team is here. If I call them, they answer the phone. If I need something, even if it's bad news that something has to be changed or we're going to have to hold off on a particular project right now, push it out a little bit, they've just been great to work with.
I'm there start to finish. From the time I meet with them the first day to talk about, hey, what are you looking to do, and just on a broader scope. And then through the design phase, I'm there at that part as well. And then when it's sold, I write the contract myself. And then when it's managed, I'm there every single day on that job to make sure that my vision and their vision is being produced by the people that are producing it.
I had a vision of what I wanted, and really just hearing them speak and show me the pictures and talk about the ideas and suggestions, I knew they were the one.
They came in and just executed it beyond our best expectations. So they're real pros. Everybody they brought in did their job and were a pleasure to work with.
Most of our clients, we continue to do work for them even after we're done the first time. That just speaks volumes for our customer service and our quality of work. Everybody's home is their piece of paradise, and everyone here really takes pride in giving our clients something that they don't have, and giving them more than what they expect. I mean, there's nothing better than to get finished with a project and for the client to come out and say, this is far exceeds whatever I thought it was going to be. And that happens a lot. We hear that a lot.
We feel like the Nelson team left us with a little bit of heaven, and it's been particularly great during the pandemic to have that little piece of paradise, because in our age group, we really haven't left the house. So the patio has become an extension of the heart of our home, and we thoroughly enjoy being with our family out there.
We're proud of it. It makes our house outstanding, probably jacked up the value of our house by a good bit.
To have that feeling that, I met their expectations and I exceeded it. And now they have something that they can enjoy with their families, outdoor barbecues, whether it be swimming pools or the kids doing s'mores by the fire pit. All those things, we had a little part in providing for them.
This is our forever home, and love where we're at, and I couldn't imagine having done it with anyone but the Nelson team.